Yo, what's good, gangers? Welcome back. Lots to recap. Completely my fault. Take full accountability. I think the last video we recorded was Thursday, which is a crazy day. Should have capitalized a lot harder, but oh well. So yeah, let's just quickly go over it. Today I'm up 200 and let's see. $294, so about $300. I just took some small trades. Didn't really play any swings, which was to my demise. So let's just do a quick recap. Thursday, which was here, basically, and I had a birthday to celebrate. Or excuse me, this was Friday. This was Thursday. Thursday we had small manipulation. It was still following trend. So you could have played the puts. I actually had a put swing, which I sold. I think the biggest thing I was learning here is like when to hold positions through longer term dates. I was actually in the 671s expiring in March, and we see how that played out. So the account could be up ridiculous, but that's all good. It's all good. We live and learn. Today, basically, just looking at the few trades that I took. I started off here. I played the calls. We had some downward movement, but still we're following this trend here. So I quickly hopped in the calls, took it at one of my key levels here, and got out. I think we were up like 150 there, and then I actually played a little scalp here on the downside quickly, waited. Once I saw this double top start to form, I actually was in puts heavy here and was able to capitalize. And took the day. I didn't take the full trade. I actually took some off here, some off here. So yeah, decent trade, guys, decent trade. But then I actually was in the calls, so I was in the 648 calls week out, and I sold them once I saw this here. No, if anything, that's basically just telling me that I need to be higher convicted in my plays, especially when it swings. Like, don't hop into a swing if I'm not convicted, but still. And you guys, I guess I gotta figure it out. If it's better to do it like this or do it live. When I do it live, it's just a super long video. Like, it could take hours, but when I don't, then it's like this, and it's just like a quick recap. Which recaps could be cool, but I just want to make sure it's going to be best. So yeah, so basically, the Iran president, what's happened today, I was done trading, still basically trading in range here, and then I sold it because I actually still see, if we take off night and extended, lots of gaps down here. Now, it's still trading within range. Small chance it actually goes into 655 here. Wouldn't be surprised, but I would probably start leveraging some type of puts there. Yeah. Because you guys can see we're still in this technical range here, so until we get confirmation of a breakout, then yeah, okay. But this was correction territory. It came perfectly into this correction territory, which literally is 10% off. Isn't that crazy? Crazy work. Crazy work. Also key level here, and yeah, we just bounced perfectly. So this was a good buy. Actually, bought some long term here. I will be looking to re-enter. Now they're saying tomorrow we have Trump news. The reason why you saw such a spike here today was the Iranian president came out with news saying that they are ready to end the war, but they just want some guarantees. I take everything with a grain of salt. We trade here, so you know, I'm just still being weary. I don't trust it. We've seen it time and time before. News is being manipulation, so yeah, I'm just waiting to see. On the technical standpoint, I do still think we have a lot more bearish movement. At least on the short term, it can break out, but yeah, on the short term, I think we come to the downside first. But yeah, guys, there's a few things that also popped that I bought. You saw ASML bounce off the 100-day moving average here. Meta have an incredible bounce. This would have been easy work here. Wow, missed that. And I called it, which is terrible, but that would have been an insane play. Yeah, 1900%. Wow, imagine, guys. Imagine. But yeah, you see a lot of things just on good technical levels here. SPY just bounced off the correction. Whoa. Coherent Group went dumb. Yeah, everything just went dumb today, guys. Like, super dumb. So, if this news comes out, I do think it could be the catalyst of a switching into a bullish market. Short term, I do think long term, it is still bearish. But, we shall see. We shall see. IBM looks really good. But alright, guys, as far as the charts, let me show you. Okay, guys, so this is how we ended the month. Honestly, very unsatisfied with how I ended the month. We ended 948, so we only hit halfway of our goal, and a big reason for that is this loss here. Held a little too long, which just sucks, but you know, it is what it is. I think we grew a lot this month. I do think we have lots more gains to come, but yeah, you can see we were very slow in this beginning here and started heating up, really getting into it, getting minimal losses, heating up, minimal loss. Really started to spike up, and then we took this massive trade, which we made back very quickly. You can see we were basically break even there, and then lost a little bit on Friday, cleaned up, and today we are up. So yeah, guys, the goal was 100 a day, which would be 500 a week. Out of the 4 weeks, this would be, what is that, 2,000? 2,000, and then, so 2,200 was the goal this month. 2,200. We got 948 of that, so we are very much behind pace on this month, but that's okay. You can see that we are getting better as far as our metrics. Win rate has been pretty high. says my net P&L is only 440. I don't believe that. Maybe for the week. Yeah, guys. Doing pretty good. Okay, I see. Here we go. Here we go. Average daily win-loss. Here we go. Win percentage is about 61%. It's okay. Profit factor is only 1.17. So we need that to be at least a 2R. Yeah. Interesting. Average hold time is very long. So you guys, that's basically it. So I got like a 60% win rate, which is great. Definitely want to get that as high as possible. Crazy. Crazy. So yeah, we definitely gotta up this, guys. Definitely gotta up this. Yeah, we definitely gotta up this. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this video too long. That's kind of how we did on the month. Still lots to do. Yeah, you can see our score. It's pretty low. Profit factor we want as high as possible. We want the average win loss to be as high as possible. Win rate's pretty high, 61%. We love that. But yeah, we only have been winning 75% of the time, and we want the majority. And this was a huge red day, and we want to inverse these. We actually really want to space these out and try to get these more towards the $1,000 range on the daily. But that's the growth in the small account. Yep, you see here we are up, really down, and brought it all the way back. So yeah, guys, tough month. We started really bad, but I think we should be able to hit our goal before the end of the year. So long ways to go. Right now, the account is only at about 3250, and we need to get to 100. We only made 1,000 this month, and so we just need to make sure we're playing quality plays. Really maximize. We need 400 to 500 days every day. Before they were 100, but at very minimum, they need to be about 200. At very, very, very minimum. But I think this is where we start turning around. And yeah, just wanted to update you guys. So I'll be back at it tomorrow if there is something to trade. Tomorrow I might do a live trading video because I feel like I need to be back on that. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be all. So yeah, stay safe, traders. That's the end of March. Q1 completely done. Q2, it's time to rally.